Good morning, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on my friend's Camry 21 Toyota Camry hybrid. We're going to be installing the eyelids. We're going to be installing the carbon fiber mirrors and the carbon fiber handles, and also the gas tank carbon fiber. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so these are the eyelids in carbon fiber. They're already installed. Here's the other one. Just finished doing that. I'm gonna show you guys the mirrors, how they look installed too. Here are the handles as well. All 4 doors. Here's the gas tank. Alright guys, until next time, have a good evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.